The Rams started their new season off with a bang. At the JDL Early Bird Invitational, returning veterans and new recruits all showed out against D1 and CIAA competition. Head coach Antonio Wells saw progress.
Good from start to finish with throws, sprints, really had a great day, jumps.
In the triple jump, Kendall Barrow took off down the runway, landing at 6th place for the Rams at 11.06 meters.
I think everyone had a great showing today as far as sprints.
In the 200-meter dash, Haley Bryant led the Rams, speeding to first place with a time of 25.26 seconds.
My first collegiate meet ever. I think I did pretty good in it.
In the 60-meter dash, Brianna Benloss exploded out of the starting blocks, finishing 4th with a time of 7.64 seconds.
For the 60, for my time to be that low, it actually shocked me.
Next up for the Rams, the HBCU Showcase in New York. For Ram Sports, I'm Nia Hester.